Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
The horse is one of the most loyal and strong animals. Do you know it has been a friend of humans for travel, farming, and even battles since ancient times? Let's learn 10 simple and easy lines about the horse that will help you in essays, speeches, and school activities. The horse is a strong and fast animal. It has four legs, a long tail, and a beautiful mane. Horses are usually found in black, brown, or white colors. People have used horses for travel and work for many years. Horses eat grass, hay, and grains. A baby horse is called a foal. Horses can run very fast and are used in races. They are also used in police and army parades. Horses are friendly and loyal animals. I like horses because they are strong and graceful. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.